So how can you keep the Apple Watch display color on? Let me show you how it works and what are some possible things which might be going on. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are so many videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So the first thing which might be going on is that you have some color filters in place. You can find it like on the iPhone when you go to the watch application, which is of course on the paired iPhone, and part of the accessibility we have the color filters, so you can enable it and you can, for example, might have it set to the grayscale filter, and this will get rid of the color on the Apple Watch. So if you don't like that, just turn off the color filters and the color will stay on as it should be. So that's one way of looking at it. Outside of that, you might also check out the display and brightness section, where is the always on section. So always on means that the screen will never fully go black and it will just display the time sort of even after it is supposed to be like black or locked, right? And it's like a feature, so you can enable it in here and perhaps even change some of the settings for it. Aside from the time, it can also show like the different notifications and complications and some data like that. So that is the second thing which you probably think about. But if I did not cover the thing that you had in mind, your specific problem, let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make an updated video just about that. So stay tuned for more, subscribe so you do not miss it, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.